I don't think entrepreneurs are born. However, I think that if you have a natural talent, this talent can be developed. For example, if you have a natural talent in music, you need help from the outside. You're not going to become Beethoven unless you learn how to play the piano and you practice, practice, practice. It's the same with entrepreneurship. It's really learning by doing. If I know that I want to be an entrepreneur and I have this wonderful idea, I would not even go to university. But then I will make many, many, many mistakes. If I want to avoid those mistakes, I would recommend going to university because you will have faculty, you will have role models, you will have mentors, and these mentors have been there, they've done it, and they can help you, guide you, mentor you. I am involved in this program because I am in the stage in my life where I feel that I have to give back. And hopefully we can go through this entrepreneurship journey together here at Vilnius University School of Business.
I think we as entrepreneurs have an obligation to commit to lifelong learning because we don't create value just for ourselves. We create value for our employees, clients, communities, entire countries even. And that's a lot of power, which comes with a lot of responsibility. So yes, on the one hand, a successful entrepreneur has to have a lot of passion and ideas and creativity. But on the other hand, he or she has to know how to take and manage risks. Obviously, no one can teach you passion, but with the right kind of guidance and mentoring, you can become better at handling risks.
It is most valuable time with your business to calculate your idea, to make all the tables you want or need, to prepare business proposals, to think about possible partners, or maybe even find them between your classmates. It is the time to argue with yourself, to check, is it the thing that you want to do? Is it social, is it innovative, or maybe digital? It can be a lot of efforts or moves made before, but until it is not sold, there is no value added.